This bulletin with some live updates and visuals coming in from the national capital area at India Gate, where there is a protest currently underway, which is anti-China and boycott China movement that we have been witnessing coming across from across the country. In fact, we do know that traders and other people have urged to give up Chinese products as well. We'll go across to Anuj for more on this. Anuj, over to you. Please take us through the latest visuals coming in of these protests.
Sense from India Gate, and these are the visuals. The protest has just ended, and the people was here to show their respect to the martyrs who lost their life, the 20 brave soldiers who lost their life. As you were telling it, that yes, there is anger within the people in the country. So continuously we are seeing these kind of protests, and continuously we are seeing the kind of respect that has been given to our martyrs, the brave soldiers who have lost their life in at the border. So that's something what we are seeing at this point in time from the India Gate. And as this is the pandemic which is on, this is the COVID time, so 144 has been already imposed here. And at this point in time, let me give you the sense, the police here has not allowed much people, but yes, if we'll give you the sense of these candles, where we are trying to give you the sense how these people has given given the respect to the martyrs who lost their life at China. That's what we are understanding at this point in time, and that's something, the respect what we are seeing. And these were the people from Delhi BJP. Let me tell you that this was Adesh Gupta, the president of Delhi BJP, along with his team. The 144 has been already imposed, and the numbers of people who were allowed was not more in number. Rather, they were allowed only for 5 to 10 minutes at India Gate. Now they have been asked to leave. But yes, giving you the visuals from India Gate and giving you the visuals of the security, how the people are trying to give respect and are giving respect to the martyrs who lost their life at the border, who lost their life, and Jawans being remembered by the Bharatiya Janata Party Delhi unit. Back to you.
Absolutely, Anuj. In fact, if you can also show more visuals behind you from India Gate, we do know that there have been several of such protests coming in from across the country. The entire country, in a way, is saluting our brave hearts who have sacrificed their lives, which will, in fact, not go unnoticed. There is a nationwide anger against China that is also being witnessed. Several anti-China protests have also, in a way, erupted across the country, not just in the national capital, but Dharamshala, Chandigarh, Jammu, Varanasi, and several other places. If you can also take us to that.
Well, exactly. Continuously, we are seeing the anger across the country, as you are pointing it out, not only in the national capital, but at different location in the country. We are seeing these kind of protests, and we are seeing the kind of anger between, or rather among the people of the country who are remembering our brave martyrs who lost their life, the 20 soldiers, the 20 brave soldiers who lost their life. Let me ask my video journalist Mahendra to give you a 360 view of the India Gate. The kind of preparation that was done, done to show their respect to the martyrs. And that's something what we are understanding from the India Gate, as this is the place which is being always like seen, and has been always we have been always witnessing about these kind of respect that has been given to the martyrs from this very place. So that's again what we are understanding, that the BJP unit of Bharatiya Janata Party is trying to give respect to the martyrs who lost their life with the candle march. They were here in at the India Gate. They have lightened the candle, and after that, as this is the COVID time, so they were not allowed to stay here for much time. They were asked to move, but the kind of preparation that was done and the kind of security that has been tightened already at the India Gate, we are continuously giving you the visuals also, that how there is anger among the people, and not only in the national capital, or not only at one place in the country, but across the country. The people are remembering the brave hearts. The people are remembering the heroes, the soldiers who lost their life at the border, and the kind of respect that has been given to them are something what we are understanding, what we are seeing from the ground level, being it at the India Gate, being it at the Other locations like Chandigarh, Guwahati, or any part of the country where we are seeing one part where the respect has been given to the soldiers. On the other hand, we are also seeing how there has been a demand to boycott rather the Chinese product, and there is a demand to boycott the Chinese things to be used. So that's something what we are understanding, and that's the kind of anger what we are seeing among the country people, among the countrymen. We have seen the Home Minister Rajnath Singh coming out with a tweet. We have seen the leadership coming out and remembering our brave soldiers. Back to you.
Well, thank you very much, Anuj, for getting us the latest from the national capital. We're also getting in another breaking news right now. This is